The famous Giovanni shrimp truck, North Shore, Hawaii. Giovanni's shrimp truck, North Shore, Hawaii. I need to peel some of these. I got this #1 shrimp scampi with the hot sauce on the side. Okay, I peeled 3, and I'm going to try 3. I'm going to try a little bit of rice, because this one's garlic rice. It smells so good. Outstanding rice. I really like it. Normally, I would use my hands to eat shrimp, but I'm handling prime work. This is without any of the hot sauce, the shrimp scampi. Really good. Really, really good. Wow. Let's try some of the hot sauce. I'll dip it. If it's super good, then I'll peel some more, and I'll dump it all on there. Give me a minute. All right, I just poured some on there. Some of the hot sauce. It doesn't taste like what I remembered. Wow, it's good. The hot sauce. I don't know if I would, or maybe I put too much on it. Maybe that's it. But let's peel a few more. Well, wait a minute. Is that peel? Maybe I don't have to peel. Well, the rest I do. So I'm going to say it's really positive. I like it. It's a good thing. I like the fact that there's garlic. It's almost like fried garlic on this rice. It's really full of flavor. Alright, so I'm going to finish up here, walk around, maybe after I can take a break, let me get a shaved ice from right across from me. So give me a minute and we'll talk about it. Okay, so after eating, I'm walking around. There's a couple places that sells shirts and clothing, but I think they're like a specialty brand. Like this is Route 99 Hawaii, and this is Shack something. There's other places to eat. There's other brands. There's more stuff over here. I'm not sure, but food. There's another truck down there. I'm not sure what they're selling. But they're not people just aren't advertising enough, I don't think. This place is closed. This place says the world's best egg rolls. I'm not quite sure what's made recyclable plastics. Yeah. I don't know. What's down there? Garlic shrimp. Lobster dogs. There's no advertisement. They need to have a bigger advertisement. Unfortunately, I mean, what? Alright, let's see what's going on over here. Oh, he's making something. Let's see what all the other food trucks. Huh. See, these say $5 t-shirts. 5 for $20. See, I mean, that's the deal. I still have some from a couple years ago. Kona coffee. Thai food. Oh, you know, there's a whole bunch of things here. It looks like you can't go wrong. It's tacos. I guess that's barbecue, chicken, beef. You know, coffee, more food. See, there's really no advertisement for the poor guy down the end. You know, let's walk over here and see what's going on. Just a little walk, not much of a walk. It's Kona Coffee. I think this is a Thai place because I had Thai food here before. I think I had it. Oh no, I had it here. Yeah, that's the Thai wagon right there. I had the Thai food there before. And this is all the good stuff. And this could be a dessert wagon. I don't remember what I had here. Yeah. Well, let's walk back over to where the t-shirts are, and then we'll. So it's going to be Korean. So Korean barbecue. Huh. Yeah. I feel sorry for this because Giovanni's is the one that's taking all the customers. Because there's the ones that are so well known. It's like every time you see a video of this area, they're only doing one. Giovanni's. I've seen Mikey Chen, C-H-E-N, and on YouTube, and I saw Mark Wines on YouTube, and a bunch of other videos. Alright, so let me walk over here and see what kind of t-shirts they have. Alright, give me a moment, and we'll be back. Or I can say, see ya.